Hello. In this video we'll be showing you how to search for programs on the study website. On every page of the website is this button here, Find Programs. When you click on this you will see a list of programs. But to filter this you can click the filter button here. This allows you to specify your students' preferences so that you can find a program that best suits their needs. For example, program type, you can select one or more. Subject, to start searching for a subject, start typing. You will then see relevant subjects that match your search. You can add one or multiple and remove them using the crosses here. Delivery method, again, one or multiple. Location, this can be a country, a university, or a city. The duration of the program and whether it is full-time or part-time. The program structure, this is whether the program you want includes a foundation year or if you want a work placement included. And finally, the budget. Here you can search either by the country code if you know it, or just by the country name. And then type in your student's budget at the top. You will then see your programs matched on your preferences. You will see your filters applied at the top. The ones best matched will be shown at the top, but you can change this if you want to order it by something else. For example, cheapest tuition. There may be programs that appear that are not an exact match for your student. When ordered by best match, they'll appear lower on the page. This is because if for any reason the student cannot apply to a certain university or program that suits their needs, we give them additional options that may be suitable. You can remove all your filters as well by clicking here. You can see in the program card here we have lots of different information about the course. What subject it is, the tuition fee, when the next start date is, and what program type it is. And you will see that it matches the information provided. And that is how you search for a program.